Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 18th block, which is the tropical forest region. Yes, and in the previous class, we have learned about the location and the climate of the tropical forest region, isn't it? So, today, in the second topic, we are going to learn about the people of tropical forest region. Okay, second topic is about the people of tropical forest region. Yes, so please open your social content books, children, and turn to page number 113, 113. Okay, so there you can see the topic people of tropical forest. Yes, so today we are going to learn about the tribe called Bantu tribe, where it they live in the Congo basin, that is Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, it is one of the largest countries in Africa, in the continent Africa. So this falls under tropical forest. Okay, so here in Congo. Okay, children. So here the climate is hot and wet, as all the climate of the tropical forest is hot and wet. In the same way, here also the climate is hot and wet, and there is dense forest. Okay, and the important river called Congo River is passing through this forest. Okay, so if you see in the picture, children, this is the picture of Bantu tribes who live in that region. Okay, they are called Bantu tribes. Okay, so can you see in the pictures here in 113, children? Bantu tribe in Congo live close to the forest and depend on it for their living. Okay, many people in Congo grows maize and other crops. Okay, they are like farmers. Okay, so see, from many years, Bantu tribe is living in this region, Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, they mostly depend on forest, so they hunt animals and also they gather the plants, fruits, honey. Okay, that's what they eat. Okay, and they also grow other crops also like maize, cassava, coffee, rubber, and they live in a house called slit houses. So in this way, the houses will be built on a wooden sticks. Here in your glossary also you have slit houses, houses that are built on wooden poles to prevent water from entering into the houses. So in that way, the sticks are kept down, and above the sticks the houses built, that is slit houses. Okay, in this type of houses Bantu tribe lives. Okay, and they grow different crops like maize. You know maize, isn't it, children? Then you have cassava. Cassava is a root crop. Okay, the root is eaten. Okay, it is edible. Root of this plant is edible, and that is called cassava. And you know coffee and rubber. Okay, bananas, pineapple, sweet potato, maize, meat, fish, all these things they eat. Okay, and they depend on forest for their living. Okay, children, and also along with slit houses, they also live in houses made of straws, the dry grass we can say. So that in that way house huts are built so that the people, the Bantu tribe, can live. Okay, and this slit houses help them against the heavy rainfall. Okay, when it is an heavy rainfall and water is flowing, so this lit houses will protect the houses from the floods and the heavy rains. The water will not get into the houses. Okay, but if you see, children, now, and these Bantu tribes wear very colorful dresses. Can you see in the picture how colorful they are? So they wear very colorful dresses, clothes, and they enjoy singing and dancing. Okay, and nowadays people are coming to cities. They are, that means they are coming and settling down in the cities. They have started working in factories or in the mining of coal, gold, or any diamond mines. They started coming out of that forest and started working in the factories or in the minings. Okay, so along with them there is another group that lives in Congo region from hundreds of years. Okay, so that group is pygmies. Can you see the children picture, children? Okay, they are pygmies. They are short, their height is short, and they are basically hunters and gatherers. Okay, and these days they live in the Ituri Ituri forest of Congo. Okay, they started living in the forest called Ituri in Congo itself. Okay, so these are the two types of people or tribes which live in the tropical forest region. Okay, children. So read this from 113 people of tropical forests to the Congo in the next page 114. Okay, before vegetation and wildlife, and underline the keywords which I have given in the daily schedule. Write it in your classwork and also learn them. If any other words other than the words which I have given in the keywords you find it difficult to learn, read it or pronounce it or learn to tell the spelling, please learn that spelling also. It will be easy for you for your further classes. Okay, so these are the keywords. And coming to your question answers, what does Bantu tribe do to earn their living? So they hunt animals and gather the, they depend on forest to earn their living. They hunt animals and gather the plants, fruits and honey. And some of them do farming, like they grow crops like maize, cassava, coffee, rubber, etc. Okay, children, write this answer in your classwork. Coming to your next question, what type of houses does Bantu tribe live in and why? So, slit houses, isn't it? So, they live in slit houses. Why? Because it protects them against the heavy rains and floods. And some live in huts made of wooden stores. Okay, wooden sticks, you can say. Okay, so in your content book you can see the straw huts made of which are built by pygmies, children. Okay, next question, who are pygmies, how do they live? So they are another group of people, another tribe, old tribe of Africa. They are short and they are usually hunters and gatherers. And where do they live? They live in huts. In the picture you can see the huts of pygmies. Okay, and the last question, what is the difference between the Bantu tribe and the Bedouins of desert? So here we are comparing the tribal life of the tropical forest region and also the desert region. Bantu tribe is from tropical forest and Bedouins are from the desert. Okay, so Bantu tribe live in slit houses whereas Bedouins lives in nut. Okay, Bantu tribe eat fruits, honey, nuts, isn't it? But Bedouins eat meat, dates, and cobs. And climate in Bantu tribe in the tropical forest is hot and wet, but in Bedouins in the deserts the climate is hot and dry. Okay, so write these four answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. And coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 11, S2, Life in Tropical Forest. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn about the vegetation, that is the plants that grow in the tropical forest and the wildlife. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.